Good evening. Welcome to the 41st quiz on this Wednesday. I am Dr. Ravi Kumar, Optional Geography Faculty of Officers IAS Academy. Now we have a 24 aspirants and 25 now. Okay, so we have 25 students already is waiting to really participate in this quiz on 41st. So we start the program now. So now the first question goes into the screen. We have a 15 questions. In that we have 4 questions. We have 5 questions. We have 30 seconds, and the remaining questions we have 60 seconds. And this is the first question. It's having 30 seconds to answer. Answer as fast as possible to get good score. All of you know it. The correct answer and the time when you are answering both combined together is give you a good mark. So first question is have 30 seconds to answer. Which are the following regularities? Regulates a foreign contribution regulation act in India. We got 26 answers now, and 11 persons gave your answer is C, but the right answer is B, Ministry of Home Affairs. It's a Commander Department of Internal Security under Foreign Contribution Regulatory Act of 2010. So normally when you see the foreign contribution, people always think about the answer C, that is External Affairs Minister. So that's itself went on here. So what answer is Ministry of Home Affairs. So we go with now lead board. See after the first question, the first place goes to Sujit, 927. Then Ari 07 and Kanmani, Kavya and Ari. Right. So only 4 persons got right answer now. So we move on to the second question. Second question also having a 30 seconds to answer now. Which of the following is also known as India's August movement or August Kranti? It looks very easy and simple. I think I can get answer sooner. %, 25 persons, 26, 27. I think now another person added 28 now. 29. Last 5 seconds now. Okay. Yeah, almost 14% has given right answer. Answer is Quit India movement. Right. As it was started on August 8th, 1942 by Indian National Congress led by Mahatma Gandhi ji. So in this event, we have Gandhi has given the idea of do or die. So, okay, slogan we are do or die, and it was started against the failure of Cripps mission. Okay, so we are studied in freedom struggle in modern India. Right. Okay, now we see the leaderboard now after the second question. Yeah, Sujit retained the first spot again. Second, Ari, and the third spot climbed by Anand. Fourth, Karl Marx. Fifth, Kartika. Good. I think the competition has started. So we go to the question number 3. So now this question also having 30 seconds to answer. Make it faster, could get a good score. It's also very easy. That's why we have given only 30 seconds to answer these questions. 26 answer got, 29 we got. Yeah, I think this is the maximum numbers. I think so. We have last 5 seconds. Anybody is there to answer it? So time's up. Now we go into the key. 17 aspirants given a good answer. Yes. Answer is the models of cloud computing services, right? Software as a service, SaaS, and platform as a service, so PaaS, infrastructure services, so IaaS, right? These are the things we have given in the question, but same way we have still more some answers. Data as a service, that is a DAS, DOS. Identity and quality management as a service, okay, IBM ASS. Network as a service, okay, NAAS. Video as service, VAS, and hardware as service, HAS, right? These all things are recently used after the development of AI and cloud computing, right? Okay, now we go to the lead board. Sujit still is in the first spot. Kartika come closer in the second one. Then Anand third, Sirsad fourth, and Kumar is now the fifth position, right? And Kavya, so up 7 places. That's good. Now we have a competition begin with many people. Right? Still there are a lot of questions to go. Possibly the top plus place have been can be taken by some people. Now we go to the question number 4 now. We have 30 seconds to answer this question. Gajil committee report and Kasturi Rangan committee report. This was recently at present. Many times I have heard about these terminologies in the past 1 month. So we got 30 answers. Last 5 seconds to complete. Yes, we got it. And yeah, almost 20% has given the right answer. It's a conservation of Western Ghats, right? So in 2011, the Gajil committee report was submitted regarding the Western Ghats. They divided it into different groups, ecological sensitive zones 1, 2, and 3, but many states did not accepted it. So in 2012 August, government against appointed a committee under Kasturi Rangan to examine the Gajil committee reports. Right. Now we go into the lead board. So excellent. Sujit maintained the same spot at the number 1. Karthika number 2. Anand, Sessa, and Kumar. So the lead boards maintain the same ranking, and you'll climb 8 places up. So all the best. Come up faster. So we make a very good tough competition in this quiz. So when we go to the next question, question number 5. This question will get 60 seconds to answer. Okay, 60 seconds to answer. The country of Poland shares its maritime border with which are the following countries? Think and answer. There are some twists and turns in the question. You have 60 seconds to answer. We got 20 answers. Almost we are closing nearby. 28 answers. I think only 3 left. 29. Last 10 seconds. Last 5. Yes. Now I think almost everyone has given all answers. No, A, B, C, D. That's good. Answer is C. 2 and 4. Russia and Sweden. Only 2 countries has maritime border. Question is only maritime border. So the country which has the water, the sea boundary with Belarus, right? So Poland. So this was recently in the news because many people from the Belarus, they tried to cross the border into the Poland to get into the Western Europe. That's why it was the Poland, Belarus, all these areas, international borders were coming in the news. That is why it came in the scene. Now we see the lead board now. Excellent. Sujit stays in the first spot, but Kartika came closer. The very closer call with Sujit. And Ari also coming closer. Anand, Sirsa maybe a little bit further, but they are also they can come up. And Kartika Ph.D. has highest movement. So 4 places she moved up. That's excellent. So we move to the next question now. So question number 6. We have 60 seconds to answer. 60 seconds. There are 2 statements. You have to find out what are the statements are right and wrong. So 20 persons already answered within 20 seconds. They have 30 seconds to answer. The total numbers crossed more than 25 now. It looks candidates have prepared a lot. Last 5 seconds. Minutes. Yes, now we got the final one. 12% answered C. C means both 1 and 2, right? But the correct answer is B. Only 9 has answered. Only second statement is right statement. Here the first statement, you think why it is wrong. The problem is only smaller change in the statement. Equalization of levy is a direct tax. It's not an indirect tax. It's given indirect. So that is only one small change in the question, so made into complicated. So when reading the statement, we have to make it very sure that we are clearly reading the statements. Right. We look at this code now. Now Aries tops in the list. Sujit went on third, Anand now the second spot, Karthik on the third spot. Okay, Susam in the fifth spot. Now we have a very good competition among the track, and Rupal climbed up to 9 places, so she may be entered into the top 5 spots in the further coming questions. We go to the next question now. 7th question. Now this question also having a 60 seconds to answer. Read and answer it clearly, but looks a little bit very easy. You can answer faster. Nearly 20 answer now within 15 seconds. It's almost close to the 30 now. They have 30 seconds to go now, but almost people got answered. Last 15 seconds. I think everyone answered now. Last 5 seconds. Yes, done. Answer is mostly they given answer B. Yes, answer is 1 and 4 only. Household appliances and apparel. So these are considered as a consumer goods. So the goods are divided into two things. One is capital goods and consumer goods. Normally capital goods are used by the business to produce some goods which are used by the consumer. So the consumer goods are which is used by the consumer, which cannot be used for anything to produce after its service. That's why it's called as a consumer goods, right? So that's the difference between consumer goods and capital goods. So can we see the lead board now? We see what are the changes. Excellent. So Susam entered into the first spot, and ARI is second spot. Kavya now will become a third one. Anand fourth. Sujit, so who was in the first for a longer time, so he became a fifth one. I think he can try to come to the first spot again. So we got a hot zone into the track. Now we go to the next question. Question number 8. We have a 30 seconds to answer this question, right? 30 seconds. This looks very easy. I think we have seen this is very recently in news also. We got 25 answers. Last 5 seconds to answer. The Maiwaki method is related to now 13% answered A and 12% answered D. Answer is A. Correct answer is A. So Maiwaki method is a Japanese technique growing a dense plantation in a short time. Normally this method is used to grow the native species in a very closer space with a shorter period. So to conserve the environment. Good. Now we see leaderboard. We see what changes happen now. Now see some retain the first spot. Excellent. Kavya now climb to the second one. Anand is the third one. Kartika now entered into the fourth spot. Ari in the fifth spot. So Sujit now is not in the top 5. I can expect Sujit can try again to come to the first spot, right? So I am expecting the next question now. We go to the next question. Question number 9. So hereafter all the questions will have a 60 seconds to answer, right? This is based on the lithium demand. The question has been asked. So read the question. Answer looks very easy, but possibly the tricky choices are there. So more than 25% answered within a 20 seconds. I think it looks question is very easy. I will inform the RN2 to make a question is more tough for the next quiz. Last 10 seconds. All countries are in South America. Time's up. Answer almost everyone has got right. 21 answers have given a right answer. That is 3, 4, 5. So we can keep in a idea something like ABC triangle, right? Argentina, Bolivia, and Chile. So ABC triangle is a lithium. Normally we used to say keep a ABC in triangle. What we say in schools, draw a triangle with ABC. So nothing become lithium triangle it is. Okay, we can keep a number in that. So now we see the lead board now. We see what changes happen now. So now Susaim retained the spot. Anand the second one. Karthika came to the 3. Ari now in the 4th one. Kavya now 5th spot now. And the Tul climbed the 7th spot. Okay, he's the highest climber. I think looks everybody is moving up. Almost only 50% goes over. Still we have 50% positions left. We'll see what are the changes going to happen. So we go to the question number 10. 60 seconds to answer this question regarding the Attorney General of India. Make sure that you are reading the statements very clearly. There are some tricky terminologies are inside. We got 20 answers before 20 seconds. Good competition going on here. I think now it is possible we will get a big change in the lead board. Before 30 seconds, almost I think everyone got answered. I think quiz goes like a print now. Excellent. 15% has given a right answer. 1 and 3 are right. Regarding the Attorney General, he is a part of Union Executive. It is correct, and he must be the qualifications must be a judge of a High Court for 5 years, an advocate for High Court for 10 years. So this is the basic qualifications, and the time period is not fixed by the Constitution. It is based on the pleasure of the President. Okay, is given in the Constitution the pleasure of the President, and is no fixed time tenure for him. That is the only wrong in this question number statement number 2. Right. Okay, now we look at the lead board. Only one change here. Susain maintained his first part, Anand in the second one, Karthika third one, Kavya entered in the 4th, and Sirsha first time entered into the top 5 in the 5th spot. And Belfina climbed 6 places, the highest climber. Possibly he may enter into a top 5 in the next coming questions. Okay, now we go to the next question, question number 11 now. The last 5 questions is regarding RBI Surface Act. 60 seconds to answer. Read the question carefully. Even one small terminology we make answer something different. Almost more than 25 answered. Excellent. Great competition. Looks people are get ready for their mains examination. Excellent. Answer is one only. Yeah. Answer is A. RB utilizes the FSA Act as an effective tool for non-performing asset recovery, right? So that's the correct statement. And the Act is effectively used only against security bonds, right? Okay, so only one is incorrect. Second statement is correct. Okay, so answer is A. Now we see the lead board. I think possibly there will be a change. No change. No change in the all 5 ranks. Excellent. So same Anand, Kartika, Kavya and Sess are retaining the same spots, and Streak, who 3 players. Oh, now the tough competition just below the 5th rank, right? So we'll see what happens in the last 4 questions now. We are entering the question number 12. We have a 60 seconds to answer. And regarding the Kharagpur corridor, we have a 3 statements here. I read the statements and every one word very clearly before answering it. It looks very easy, but there is a tricky word plays a major role. Nearly 30 I got answered. I think they got the tricky in that. We'll see when seeing the answer. Only 2 has to answer now. Almost everyone. Last 20 seconds. Last 10 seconds. I think everyone got an answer now. Time's up. So we see that answers 10% answered C, 7% answered A. Alright, A is the right answer. 1 and 2 only is the correct answers. What is the problem with the third one? The very important thing, the first one is correct. Kharagpur Sahib is located across the river Ravi. Okay, it's fine, it's correct. It is a tributary of Indus. That also second statement, second part of it, that also correct. Corridor is the first visa-free corridor between India and Pakistan from independence. Yes, it's correct. The third one, Guru Nanak was born and died in Kartarpur. Now the problem is Guru Nanak born at Nana Sahib at Pakistan and died at Kartarpur. Right? It's not both dying, birth and dies. That is not in the Kartarpur. That is the problem here. Right? There is only one small two-step statement number 3. So we see the lead board now. Anything happens in that list. Excellent. Katia, who entered late in the top 5, she retained the spots, now entered to the number 1. I think he is the only person I think you have right answer. And Susem, I think maybe answer delayed. So the second and then third, Kavya 4 and says top 5 the same. Returns of ranking and Banek, 6 places climbed up. I think she got a right answer now. Excellent. We go to the next question. Now question number 13, the last 3 questions of the quiz. We have 60 seconds to answer. Last 3 questions to get the top spot. This time we have seen a lot of changes in the top 5 from the beginning to the till now. It's a very easy question, I think so. Even though question looks bigger, but answering is really easy if you know the basics of environmental impact assessment. So more than 25 we got right answers now, and still we need 4 5 to answer. 30 seconds to go. Last 20 seconds. I think everyone done with your answers. Hope I will get all right answers now. We'll see. Last 5 seconds. Still people are thinking to answer something in the right. So time ups. 19% has given right answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All industries, pulp and paper, newsprint, synthetic rubber, project, cement, and nuclear purpose. Everything should come under environmental impact assessment. Right. The recent changes, what happened in 2020 a lot of changes has come. So just read and update it. And we see the lead board now. So possibly any changes in the lead board. All 5 retain the same thing. So Katia the first part, Susaim in the second one, Anand the third one, Kavya fourth, Sersha 5, Kartika PSG, the highest streaker of 6. Yes, compared to the Susaim, excellent. The total score of Kartika is 9435 and Susaim is 8901. At least I think very close call, just only 500 difference. Okay, so one question or maybe a little bit faster answer will make rank much better. Even Anand 8760, just 200 below the Susaim. So one answer with a quick hands, they will get into the first part. The last two questions now, we go to the question number 14. We have a 60 seconds to answer regarding the Indian Meteorological Department. Questions looks easy, so make sure that you are not falling into the trap. Trap may be in the sentences or maybe in the voices. So before 30 seconds, almost everyone I think got answer. Only more than near 30 we got. Yes, 16% has given a right answer. Answer is C. Both statements are correct. Okay, the warnings of northern cyclones in northern Indian Ocean given by IMD. Okay, and is come under Ministry of Earth Sciences. Okay, both are right statement. Now we see the lead board. Before going to the last question, so Kartika now he stands in the unbeatable position of 10,000 mark, and Susaim 8,009 not more. I think really 1,200 differences. And Anand in the third position, Sirsa the fourth one, and Karl Marx the fifth position, and Sarumati climbed 4 places up. So now we are going to the last question of the quiz today. We'll see any changes happened in the last question. So still full stop not doesn't come, the statement will not end. So you try your best to make into the spot into our top 5. There are 4 cities are given. We have to arrange it from south to north. South to north. So keep in mind and arrange it. Last 30 seconds of the quiz. We got 25 answers. Nearly 30 we got it. And last 15 seconds. This answer going to be changed the lead board now. We'll see who will be in the number 1, who is the number 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Now 8% and 11%. 8% gave a right answer, and I think maximum numbers given wrong answer. So 3, 2, 4, 1, 9. The right answer is the southernmost is Jakarta and Panampok, Manila, and Hanoi. Okay, this is the order. Right. Answer is C is right answer. Now we go into the final ranking of this quiz, number 41. Sujit enters into the third spot. So we left in the beginning from the first part. Now we enter into the third part. Excellent hard work. And the second part go to Hallmarks. And the third part, the first part goes to Kartika. Excellent. And Susaim. So excellent hard work by Sujit and Karl Marx. Susaim might be the 4th or 5th one. Alright, so really it looks like hard work fetches the results. Hard work fetches the results, and it looks like how Sujit went outside the top 5 finally. The last question he came into scored at So the statement what given by the Dhoni is correct. So till the full start comes, statement doesn't end. So the well done all the competitors. So day winner, so please capture a screenshot of your position and send it along with your full name and phone number to this WhatsApp number and claim your prizes. Thank you. All the best. We'll see you again.